Animal movement patterns are one of my favorite ways to build functional strength and conditioning, especially as a martial artist and athletic person. But they're also a great and fun way to build general fitness for that everyday feeling great in your body. Right now, I want to show you 4 great beginner animal movement patterns so you can start incorporating these insanely beneficial exercises into your workout routine. First up is the cat. Let's get down onto all fours with hands under the shoulders and knees under the hips. Slightly raise your knees off the ground. Get a feel for picking up your hands and your feet one at a time, and then opposite hands and feet. This in itself is a great core strengthener and stabilizer exercise. For the cat movement pattern, start crawling forward slowly using opposite hand and foot. Try keeping the spine neutral and knees hovering an inch or 2 above the ground. To start, go for a distance of about 10 steps forward. Once you have the feel and coordination, try speeding it up. The second animal movement pattern is the crab. Start seated, roll your shoulders back and down to open up the chest, and through your hands and feet, press your butt off the ground. Just like the cat, get a feel for balance by first lifting one foot and one hand off the ground at a time. Then go for opposite hand and foot at the same time. For your first round, crab crawl slowly forward with opposite hand and foot. Then, for further rounds, try speeding it up a bit. The bear crawl is the third animal movement pattern. Similar to the cat, but this time with legs extended and hips up high. Go through the same process stationary with hands and feet to get a feel for balance and coordination. When bear crawling forward, start slow and try to keep the legs straight. Again, for a challenge, speed it up if it's feeling good. The fourth and last animal movement pattern is the frog. Start by getting into a squat position. Place your hands on the ground in front and shift your weight easily onto them, and then back to your feet and squat position. This one is one of my favorites as it'll really work the legs and shoulders, wrists, and hands. To start moving forward with the frog crawl, keep your hips low. Keep movement slow and in control in the beginning. As you're getting the hang of the frog, challenge this movement by getting your hips up higher, which transfers more of your body weight into your shoulders and hands. For a complete routine, do each of these animal movement patterns for 3 to 5 sets at around 8 to 12 reps or steps. And for bonus points, try them all moving backwards. If you enjoy working out like an animal, then hit that thumbs up. Which of these 4 movements do you find the most challenging? Let me know in the comments. As always, be sure to subscribe if you are new here, and that's a wrap. See you next time.